Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Not Perfect But Better. Today I will be sharing what essential oils I use and how I use them to release stress, induce sleep and reduce anxiety. So if you're interested, then keep on watching. Okay, so the first oil is a lavender essential oil, and this is one of the most popular, one of the most prominent essential oils used to reduce anxiety, so much so that it actually claims on the box. So I put a few drops onto my pillow cover, and the second way that I use it as is fill up a tub with hot water and add a few drops of lavender oil into it, and I sit and relax myself. This way it not only calms me down but it helps me sleep. So the next oil is lemongrass oil. Now this is one of the most popular fragrances. If you smell it, you will instantly recognize this because it's practically at almost every, every washroom. Anyway, so this is not only very fresh and invigorating, but it is also a wonderful oil to reduce stress. And according to a study carried out in 2015 or 16, it actually helps in lowering blood pressure. And how does it do that? By relieving stress, because high blood pressure is a side effect of stress, and because it works on stress, hence it lowers the blood pressure. It is according to a study mentioned on healthline.com. So how I use it as is I put it in my diffuser. So it is it can instantly improve your mood, I assure that. So my second favorite oil is the lemongrass oil. So the next favorite oil is lemon essential oil. This oil helps in stabilizing the mood, in improving the mood, and according to a study, it actually works better than lavender oil and rose oil in improving your mood and reducing anxiety. Along with that, I've heard that it actually helps in reducing the morning sickness amongst pregnant women. So you can try if you are pregnant. Now how I use it as is, I love the fragrance and I want the fragrance to linger on for a longer time. So I mix it up with a sweet almond oil and I apply it on my face. So it not only gives an instant glow, instant shine to my face, it lingers on for long and keeps me sane, and mood is in a very stable mood. I love it. It's my happy essential oil. It's a rather unique entry into the top essential oils list is my camphor oil. We all know the benefits of camphor oil, and I suppose Indians in general are pretty much aware of camphor. Hindus, they use it in the worship, and thanks to Vicks Vapor Up, we all know how it smells. Apart from that, apart from helping in dealing with congestion and pain relief, what this does wonderfully is it induces sleep, and exactly the opposite, it wakes you up. If there is one oil you should have for multiple uses, then it has to be camphor oil. How I use this as is, I take a mug full of water, I add this, obviously it doesn't mix up, however it helps me pour it on my head, and it is an experience. This is not an oil, it's an experience. While I pour it on my head, it calms me down, wakes me up simultaneously. I cannot stop complimenting this oil. It is perfect, it's potent, it's everything. So it's my go-to oil. Okay, so the last oil is the turmeric oil. Now turmeric is a magical spice, and Indians use it in almost every meal. And we know the skin benefits of turmeric. We know how it boosts your immunity. So since it's a spice, the fragrance might tingle your nose, but it is again invigorating. It is, you can use it in a diffuser. So how I like to use turmeric oil is I put it on my pulse point and I gently massage myself. I just close my eyes, I massage my wrists, I sniff a bit. Ah, it's a spice heaven. So these are my top 5 favorite essential oils. One is the lavender oil, other is lemongrass oil, then we have camphor oil, my favorite, lemon oil, my second favorite you can say, and turmeric oil. You can buy these oils from so the brand that I prefer the most is Aroma Treasures, because they are pocket friendly and potent, and well, it's because of my experience. I've never been disappointed by Aroma Treasures. And the second brand that I prefer is Soulflower. You can find both these brands on Nykaa.com or on their official websites. I hope it helps you. I hope you try them out, and do let me know if you do, and let's interact in the comment section. And please like the video, subscribe to my channel, share it. If you don't like it, dislike it, I'll get to know. And I really need your support. It's a new channel, so please okay then, thank you, and I'll see you soon. Bye.